Hi friends, welcome to vigarocks. Today we are going to see wild animals name in Hindi. For that it is हिंदी में जंगली जानवरों के नाम. Okay children, हिंदी में जंगली जानवरों के नाम. Shall we start? First animal is tiger. For tiger it is bag in Hindi. Okay, for tiger it is bag in Hindi. Okay children. For lion it is sher in Hindi. For lion it is sher in Hindi. Okay children? Everyone should repeat after me. Okay children? Next animal is elephant. For elephant it is hathi in Hindi. For elephant it is hathi in Hindi. Next one is bear. For bear it is balu in Hindi. For bear it is balu in Hindi. Okay children? And next animal is fox. For fox it is lomdi in Hindi. For fox it is lomdi in Hindi. Okay children? Next one is deer. For deer it is hiran in Hindi. For deer it is hiran in Hindi. Okay? And for jackal it is siar in Hindi. For jackal it is siar in Hindi. Okay children? By seeing this video you do practice at home. Okay children? And next animal is giraffe. For giraffe it is giraffe in Hindi. For giraffe it is giraffe in Hindi. Okay children? Next one is cheetah. For cheetah it is cheetah in Hindi. For cheetah it is cheetah in Hindi. Okay children? Learning a language is very easy if you are doing more and more practice at home. Okay children? Next animal is monkey. For monkey it is bandar in Hindi. For monkey it is bandar in Hindi. Next animal is rhinoceros. For rhinoceros it is gainda in Hindi. For rhinoceros it is gainda in Hindi. Okay children? Next one is zebra. For zebra it is zebra in Hindi. For zebra it is zebra in Hindi. Okay children? Now we will recall everything at once. Okay children? First one is tiger. For tiger it is bag. For tiger it is bag. And for lion it is sher. For lion it is sher. Next one is elephant. For elephant it is hathi. For elephant it is hathi. Next one is bear. For bear it is balu. For bear it is balu. Next one is fox. For fox it is lomdi. For fox it is lomdi. Next one is deer. For deer it is hiran. For deer it is hiran. For jackal it is siar. For jackal it is siar. Next one is giraffe. For giraffe it is giraffe. For giraffe it is giraffe. Next one is cheetah. For cheetah it is cheetah. For cheetah it is cheetah. For monkey it is bandar. For monkey it is bandar. Next one is rhinoceros. For rhinoceros it is gainda. For rhinoceros it is gainda. Next one is zebra. For zebra it is zebra. For zebra it is zebra. Okay kids, if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.